And they're burning billions of rands worth of diesel just to keep the lights on, to create the impression to South Africans going into the last stretch of the election that everything was right.
Liqembu le-Democratic Alliance lithi umbuso we-ANC udvonsa blame bebusweni betakhamuti takuleli wendela ukuthi tikholelwe ekutheni seyiphelile insayeya yekweswelakala kwegesi kuleli.
The Constitutional Court upheld an order that the ANC must hand over, quote, all, unquote, records related to its National Cadre Deployment Committee.
I-ANC ihlose kuguqula sinqumo lesathathwa inkantolo lephakeme yase-Gauteng letinde eJozi lesasiphocelela i-ANC ukuthi inikete i-DA umculo lewusebenzisako kubeka abantu etikhundleni ngekwebulunga belicembu kusukela ngeminyaka wa-2014.
We know that we can overturn the result, and the good thing about this second leg is that it takes place in front of our people.
Umqeqeshi weMamelodi Sundowns Rulani Mokwena ukholelwa ukuthi licembu lakhe lisengatibuyisela tinvuku lende ngcono kumdlalo walo weCAF Champions League nalidlala neEsperance yaseTunisia. Kwaba invokoto kuphindze ngihlanganyele nawe mbukeli wetindzaba telwimi lwesiswanti lesethula se-Auckland Park eJozi etindlini tekusakata te-SABC. Kanti ke khumbula ukuthi letindzaba tiyatfolakala futhi etinkundleni tekuxhumana i-X, i-Facebook, ku-SABC Plus kanye na ku-YouTube ngekuthi SABC Tindzaba. Liqembu le-Democratic Alliance lithi umbuso we-ANC udvonsa bulembe ebusweni betakhamuti takuleli wendela ukuthi tikholelwe ekutheni seyiphelile insayeya yekweswelakala kwagesi kuleli. Umholi we-DA John Steenhuisen uthi takhamuti atisukutfokotela lokuthi sekubebede kucinywa kwagesi tikhawu sikhathi lesingangenyanga. Uma kwengalukhetfo utawuqalela phansi ucinywe gesi. Steenhuisen uthi licembu lakhe lihlose kwakha emathuba emisebenzi ladigidzi letimbili velonke uma lingathatha umbuso iminyaka lesihlanu letako. Loku kusho lomuhla lokulusuku lolwendvulela lwenkululeko.
Sekuphele emalanga lakamashumi amathathu solongacishwa gesi ngenhloso yokumonga kuleli. Lokwendeka ngesikhathi lapho khona sekusele emalanga langaphansi kwamashumi lamane uyiwe elukhethweni. Kepha-ke umholi weqembu eliphikisa ngalo semthethweni uthi ete kwashayelwa lihlombe lokho.
And they're burning billions of rands worth of diesel just to keep the lights on, to create the impression to South Africans going into the last stretch of the election that everything was all right. But everything is not all right, because if you look at the available energy factor, available energy supply factor, it has not improved. And that is the real measure about how much energy is going back in the economy.
Njengoba lelive libungade eminyaka lakamashumi lamathathu entando elinyenti Steenhuisen ubuka emuva lapho lelidlule khona lelive. Nanobe bavuma ukuthi kukhona lokuhle lokwendiwe nguhulumende kepha lokungahambi kahle kunengi kakhulu.
I think that the story of South Africa 30 years on can be much like a rugby match, divided into two halves. I think we had 15 years where things were moving in the right direction. And I've always been a critic of the ANC, but I'm the first to admit they did get a lot of things right. They did build houses. They did focus on trying to address the issues. And our country was moving in the right direction. I think we had a sense that we were a nation with purpose. But the last 15 years, the second half, has been fundamentally catastrophic for our country.
Sekvetwa imigomo lenhlangano iDA ithi lelive lidzinga imigomo ligcinile etadutsa tinguquko emnothweni nalelive. Leli qembu lifuna kushintsha le mali yesibonelo sahulumende salabangasebenzi kube isibonelo semali abantu labafuna umsebenzi. Inhloso lokule mali itawusita labo bantu labatayithola ukuthi bafune imisebenzi baphindze bacela amabhizinisi lamancane.
We want people who are wanting to start businesses, people who want to actually get employment and are actively seeking this employment, to actually go out there and use that money to be able to do so.
Kusenjalo le qembu litobamba ubungathoko lwelanga lenkululeko eGreyville Convention Center eThekwini kusasa.
Takhamuti tasemahikeng eNorthwest tithi inzandvo yelinyendi ibange tinkinga letinyendi lokufaka ekhathi kwenda abantu ukuthi bahlale bafuna kukhangeta khulumende nekwanza kwengohlakalo kubaholi bahulumende. Bathi inzandvo yelinyendi igcina idlapatiswa ngulabo lebeyendelwe ukuthi ibavikele iphindze ibahlomise. Le takhamiti itivakalise ukukhathateka ngetingcinamba tenhlala kahle netemnotfo lebabukene nato bantfu labatikitsikitsi kuleli lokufaka ekhathi kweswelakala kwemisebe bucala nekungetfulwa kwetinsita.
I feel like right now we are using all this power we have in a wrong way, because of like there's a lot of corruption and a lot of undeveloped skills and stuff, undeveloped project and all those stuff. So I advise South African people that we could like change that mentality and then like start on like putting more effort.
To be honest, I do not see democracy benefiting us in any way because most people in South Africa are unemployed. Crime is high due to that. We are told to vote that we can have better communities, but nothing changes. I don't even know what to say.
Community will but still. So democracy,
the way I see democracy today is not the same as how I saw it then. Yes, we are free now, but some people are free to enrich themselves and they abuse this democracy. They are free, but they are abusing their freedom by using it to trample on other people's rights.
Sikubutile mbukeli ukuthi ingabe ikwendelani wena inkululeko solo yazuzwa nga1994 uphendvule ngalendlela.
Ekanyenze Linux ngisahlala emqashweni angisebenzi kumanje from qeda isikole nje ngisahlele endlini.
Kule minyaka engama30 yenkululeko zikhona zininzi izinto ezinhle ezenziwe enkululeko. Umzekelo saye safumana imfundo yamahala. Umfunda kwazi ufunda mahala afumana uNSFAS.
Ngona kukhona okuncane esikuzuzile kule nkululeko. Ngoba naku izinto sesayithola abantu abaningi bayitholile izinto manje ama-RDP banawo.
Kukhona okuhle okwenzekile kule minyaka yenkululeko. Kodwa kusekuningi futhi okusamele kwenzeke. Sihamba singakhululekile ngenxa yobugebengu.
Ewe pha napha ingakumbe ekuvakaliseni uluvo sikhululekile kodwa uqoqosho hayi asikakhululeki kwicala loqoqosho.
Le democracy silethele i-electricity besinganayo nenxibelelwano selilula kwakubhalwa ileta yakudala ileta ebeyithatha 3 months ukuthi yofika emakhaya manje sesiyafona ngenxa yenxibelelwano lulula.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC ethe yethweswa ukuthi phendvulela ngawo. I-Eskom imemetele ukuthi ebusika kulomnyaka losetulu iningizimu Afrika itawuba kusigaba sesibili sekucinywa kwagesi dikhawu. Sikhulu lesetulu se-Eskom Dan Marokane sivakalise lo mbiko ngesikhathi sikhuluma nebetindzaba lomuhla eMegawatt Park eJozi. Kanzi sekuphele emalanga lange-30 lakuleli lingakacinyelwa gesi dikhawu.
Likely scenario from our assumptions is that load shedding will be maintained within stage 2 at most. In the extreme case where the unreliability increases, that component may go occasionally stage 5, but we really think that on the basis of what we see, the performance of the fleet, load shedding will stay within stage 2 from a planning perspective. This is on the back of a decrease in terms of the baseline unreliability capacity reduction of 1,000 megawatts, which is what we use for our baseline assumptions there. Over the winter period, work continues, and we are targeting to reduce the unplanned losses by a further 1.7 gigawatts. This will be made up of 1.3 gigawatts from partial load loss reduction that Beck is driving with the team, but also Monde will also show you how the demand side management initiatives are also underway. I just want to remind all of us that our ability to beat load shedding this winter still depends on our collective collaboration. And to this extent, we'll be launching the energy saving campaign in the month of May, asking all of us to play our part in this regard.
I-ANC ihlose ukuguqula sinqumo lesathathwa inkantolo lephakeme yase-Gauteng letinde eJozi lesasiphocelela i-ANC ukuthi inikete i-DA umculo lewusebenzisako kubeka abantu etikhundleni ngekwebulunga belicembu kusukela ngeminyaka wa-2014. Lokhu kuvetwe ekuqaleni kwalenyanga ngesikhathi kuvela sicelo senhlonso yekubuketwa kwesinqumo lesithathwe ekuqaleni kwalenyanga lesetulu. Lesinqumo saniketa i-ANC emalanga la-15 ukuthi inikete i-DA imiculo lephelele lengashodi ngemininingwane. Lokhu kulandzela ukuthi i-DA ichumane nenkantolo ikhala ngekuthi i-ANC yayiniketa imiculo yekubekwa etikhundleni kwebantfu ngekwebulunga kute politiki lengakapheleli lethi kwakungekho emthethweni lokwendiwa i-ANC. I-DA isola i-ANC ngekusebenzisa bucili kubambelela ukuthi umthetho uthathe indzawo. Kwendeka konke lokhu etukwe ukuthi inkantolo lephakeme eGauteng letinde ePitoli kamuva itfole ukuthi lo mgomo awuphambani nemthetho futhi awuphikisani nemthetho sisekelo.
In its latest doomed attempt to appeal, the ANC makes the extraordinary claim that it was a misdirection for the court to find that President Cyril Ramaphosa must hand over his personal WhatsApps and emails related to cadre deployment. The ANC needs to understand that the DA will not relent on this matter. The simple reality of this case is that the Constitutional Court upheld an order that the ANC must hand over, quote, all, unquote, records related to its National Cadre Deployment Committee dating back to the 1st of January 2013. Unless the ANC now claims to be so illiterate as to not understand the meaning of the word all, it is clear that the party knows it is only a matter of time until the DA exposes Cyril Ramaphosa's own fingerprints all over the cadre deployment project to capture and collapse the South African state.
Kuletinye umasibia ititolo takhamuti tasematsulu eMpumalanga tikhathatekile ngebugebengu kuhlukubetana ngekwebulili kanye nekusetshenziswa kwetidzakamiva. Wamukelekile mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba tesiswati. Uma usanza ngena ukhetse kahle tisekhona hlala nathi. Inkantolo yamanje eLimpopo ihlehlisele licala lebabekwacala labathathu leliyamene nebugebengu lobendeka eplazini Phalaphala. Lababekwacala labathathu basolwa ngekweba imali lengetulu kwa $580,000 eplazini lamengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ngendlovana nga-2020. Lababili babo baphume ngebheyili kanti munye uncatshelwe ibheyili ngeLweti nyakenye.
The matter has been postponed to 28th of May 2024 in order for us to get the regional court date. On that date, we are going to get the date of the trial. On the 28th, it will be the transfer of the matter. The article is misleading the public. We don't have the accused person in our dockets. We've got only 5 people and the 2 are not yet been arrested.
Inkantolo lamuhla ikhulume kabanti ngemalikhodi elibhange la Moses Biya. Lokhu kuta ngemva kwekuthi Sibiya avete ukuthi abengekho eGauteng ngesikhathi kudojulwa kubulawa Senzo Meyiwa ngeminyaka wa-2014. Ronnie Sibanda lomunye welithimba lebashushisi enkantolo uthe emalikhodi elibhange la Sibiya khomba ukuthi wakhipha imali ebhange lakhe emahlandla lamanyenti ngenyanga yembala lekungiyo lekwabulawa kuyo Meyiwa.
I will move to page 11 of 14.
Sorry, for my edification. On page 4 of 14, right? I just want to understand because I see the ID, alleged ID, identity document of Mr. Ntanzi.
That's correct, my lord.
Yeah, and I also see the photo. I take it it's his.
That's correct.
Who placed these documents in this spec? Meaning, is it the bank? Did you get them from the bank? Or where do you get these documents from?
That is correct. It's from the bank, my lord. It comes with
that's not clear for me. So it is the bank that when they were opening the account, they took a photocopy of the ID.
That's correct, my lord.
And they also took a photo of Mr. Ntanzi.
That is correct.
Now who's going to confirm that? Because now Mr. Ntanzi is alone there.
Mr. Ntanzi, inkantolo ifuna ukwazi ngoba ibona isithombe laphayana Mtanzi is for Mr. Ramsipile.
Oh, sorry.
Takamuti tasematsulu eMpumalanga tikhathatekile ngebugebengu kuhlukubetana ngekwebulili kanye nekusetshenziswa kwetidzakamiva. Tithe amaphoyisa kendi lokwanele kulwisana nalesimo. Kamuva umuntu lomsikati kanye nenvombatanyana yakhe bagwazwa bashona kuthiwa bagwazwe isingani salomuntu lomsikati. Umsolwa waboshwa kanti ke lelicala lisesenkantolo. Lomphakathi kanye nelicembu leANC bashucele station semaphoyisa bafuna amaphoyisa enyuse emasokisi ekulweni nebugebengu.
Takamuti tasematsulu tikhathatekile kulandzela kwenyuka kwelizinga lebugebengu kuhlukubetana ngekwebulili nekusetshenziswa kwetidzakamiva. Kanti-ke tibona ngathi emaphoyisa awendi lutho ukugucula simo.
Saba khamba ebusuku cause kune crime ematsulubi basibulala sisabagibela timoto ebusuku umphakathi wethu mncane amaphoyisa ethu akasistinga lutho masicela lisito.
A mother and a child were killed, and the police did nothing about that. And our main concern is that late at night the police station gate is being locked, so we don't know what to do, because if you're being robbed at the street and you have to come to the police station, you have to wait at the gate and wait for them to open.
I-ANC nemadlela ndzawonye ayo akhulumisene Takamuti batfola ukuthi vele bugebengu benyukile basebenta lubito lwekuthi amaphoyisa alwisane nebugebengu.
Umsebenzi wethu ukuthi masithola leti inkinga te miphakathi ma-members nema-supporters ANC ne-community at large masithola lama leti khalota bese siyathatha sihamba sithisa kulama office la relevant. So ngiyolenza bese sithatha decision noma sinqumo sekuthi asithe la police station sifike siregister lo lokhala ngale community kuze ukuthi i-police station ne-management bakhona ukusinceda ukuthi basilungisele leti khalota temphakathi.
Letakamuti tinikete amaphoyisa tinsuku letilishumi ukuthi ahlangabetane netimfuno tato.
Nazivakashele timakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi lirandi linyukile naliqathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Kutemidlalo umceceshi weMamelodi Sundowns Rulani Mokwena ukholelwa ukuthi licembu lakhe lisengatibuyisela tinvuku lente ngcono kumdlalo walo weCAF Champions League nalidlala neEsperance yaseTunisia liqhubekele embili kumancamo alomquzelwane kule season. ISundowns idlala ekhaya eLoftus Versfeld ePitoli nabomakhonya baseTunisia lomuhla kusihlwa. Komlende wekuqala iSundowns yehlulwa ngeligoli linye ecanzeni eTunisia ngemgcibelo lowencile.
ISundowns itimisele kufika kumancama eCAF Champions League kwekuqala kumasizini layimfika. Lelicembu lagcina kufika kumancama lomquzelano ngo-2016 lapho langcoba khona lesicoco sawo. Kusukela ngo-2016 lelicembu lehlula kanye kumacembu leliboshwe nawo lafika kuma-semifinals kabili kufaka ekhathi kusizini leyencile.
With commitment, with enthusiasm, with positivity, we know that we can overturn the result, and the good thing about this second leg is that it takes place in front of our people.
Nozinto weSundowns Ronan Williams uthi labadlali batimisele kudlala ngekuthi khandlela abadlali neEsperance nanoma lelicembu libukene imidlalo eminyenti kusizini inye.
It's a big one for the club. Players are looking forward to it. We enjoy playing these games. You know, it brings the best out of us, as you even saw last week.
Nabadlala lomuhla kusihlwa indvu lebatababana emicondvweni wabo kuthi behluleka kushaya emagoli kumidlalo yabo lemithathu yekugcina yawo lomquzelwano abakhona ngakushaya emagoli kumulende yombili nabadlala neYoung Africans eseTanzania kuma-quarter final base bakhona ukuchubekela embili ngekuphumelela kuma-penalty. Kepha-ke Williams usenalo lithemba Mokwena uthi kule minyaka leyencile bafundzele ukuthi ku-Champions League akushiyana kangaka kakhulukade ngemfutho emidlalweni.
So I'm very proud of the first half performance. And now is to put a little bit more in the second half.
Lo mdlalo utawuqala ngensimbi yesiphohlongo kusihlwa kanti utawusakatwa bukhoma ku-SABC 3.
Asasive ukuthi isibusiso Mahlalela usiphathele tiphi lethamba embili kuletiphuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Sibu, tinsambo takho mnaketfu.
Sibamba letimbili lamasekuzivuselana kumbukeli ekhaya. Ikhazi kwethu ngizobe lesitiphethe sekuhlele liphuma eMbideni namuhla kusihlwa kunathi team. Sikhwama saka ref bekade sezivakashele sifundza sethu iMpumalanga edolobheni laseMbombela lapho lebafundisa khona abashayeli ngekubaleka kwekuhlola ke emathaya etimoto ngembi kwekusukela lo hambo. Ngetelo kwaloko simembekele ikomishana la IEC kulesifundza iMpumalanga tawufundisa ke sive ngebungoti nemacala ke longahleke uthfese wona nangabe takufalakala ukhipha ke ingwembe nobe ke emaposter etinhlangano etikhankasela ke naloke likhetho lawubanjwa kuleli kuyo ke inyanga letako. Letina letinye kuhlele diphuma eMbideni nyalo ngesimbi yesithupha kusemade kube insimbi yesikhombisa kumsakato lkwala FM alishona eNingizimu Afrika sibamba letimbili lamaseko.
Sibonga kakhulu kuSibuphan Sembombela kanti ke mbukeli sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho impela Sondvo hayibe yinhle asiphinde sihlangane futhi ngalokutako sikhona simo selitulo ngemva kwetitolo.